US dollar index this week has not changed too much, but what we can see, the price was jumping between these two price levels, between this supply zone around 102.85, where the prices touched 102.71, and on the below side we can see that the price has reached 102.0, sorry. So we can see the price is still inside this range area that needs to be broken on the upper side or the downside in order to see a greater movement. So what we can see on the weekly time frame, we can see that the price could not make any movement that is significant. So we still need to see some kind of a breakout to the upside or the downside, which is a very important level. On the monthly time frame, we can see after the price has reached this support level, the price is bouncing back up and reached almost this one, which is 103.31, the first resistance level that is very important for the price. What is very important, we can see this is the one, which means 102.84, very important level for the price, for the bulls, if they would like to see the price moving on higher price levels. If the month ends and also closes above, we can see above 102.85, we can see that the price will try to reach this one, and also this one, which means 104.22 is the target then. But if the price stays below that, that means still in decision, and if the price goes below 101.37, this will mean the price will try to move to the downside, which will be as a next target 99.05. Until that happens, we need to see on the daily time frame, which will be much more clear instead of this weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that the very important level is this one here, 102.85, that needs to be broken to the upside in order to move to the high price levels, and that means starting this supply zone, which means is 103.97. If the price goes below this one, which means 101.88, there is open space for the price to reach 101.37. Until that happens, everything is still open, so it means that the bulls and also the sellers, the bears, are not enough strong to push the price in their direction. I will also check each day what happens, and also when the breakout happens. I will also share the analysis inside the trading community, what will be the next target, and also where the price could stop, and also what is the price that the price could reach. So if you would like to check the daily analysis, I'm also sharing that inside the trading community. The link will be below in the description, so if you would like to check it and also join, feel free to check it, and see you next time. Happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!